Industrial robots playing an increasingly important role in the manufacturing sector. Their flexibility provides more and more diversified applications going well beyond the traditional way of manufacturing. Autodesk PowerMill provides a wide range of path planning strategies to make the perfect choice of applications, including surface milling, material deposition, plasma and water jet cutting, grinding, and polishing. PowerMill ensures potential issues like axial limits, singularities, and collisions displayed on the timeline toolbar, and they can be locally modified for the trouble-free motion. NC codes to drive industrial robots output directly without any need of third-party translators. The combination of Autodesk PowerMill and NetFab provides solutions for the additive manufacturing to create directed energy deposition, or simply called as DED. The toolpath used for subtractive manufacturing also can be used for additive to create a new part from the base. Create a feature in the existing part to save expensive material and the parts difficult to cut. Also do the surface coating for an existing component to increase its mechanical properties like surface hardness. Autodesk NetFab strategies also can be used to produce geometric shapes in the form of slices to build a new component. For additional process control parameters like thermal or mechanical stresses during the build process, the PowerMill project can be exported to NetFab for further modification and simulation. This combination of subtractive and additive process within PowerMill lets you expand your manufacturing opportunities for the future of making things. Use 5-axis machining to produce blisk and impeller part for aerospace and other industries. The interactive module allows the users to create toolpath with reduced programming and cycle time. The module includes roughing, hub finishing, and blade finishing strategies, helps to finish the part completely with collision-free toolpaths. Single blade finishing toolpath created with predefined curves as reference for greater control of machine tool axis and to produce high surface finish. Use Autodesk rib machining strategy to machine channels in a mold, which forms ribs in the resulting injection molded part. Typically, the channels are long, thin, and non-planar. A rib machining strategy requires a pattern that is an approximate centerline of the channel, or simply selecting the surfaces of the wall and base of the channel. This toolpath ensures a constant tool load is achieved for prolonged tool life and to avoid breakages. It is a low-cost alternative solution for electrode discharge machining. To minimize manual polishing, Autodesk PowerMill port machining solutions produce 5-axis milling toolpath with the help of special cutters to cut engine port and manifold manufacturing. This strategy controls the engagement angle and the cutter push-off for the greater stability of machine control and collision-free toolpaths. Autodesk Power Mill also supports to create turning toolpaths for your mill turn machines. Power Mill automatically calculates the spun profile from your imported CAD geometry and to use for profiling, boring, facing and grooving operations. This option allows the manufacturer to better usage of 5-axis mill turn machines.